Popular hash function techniques. Hash function techniques are fundamental tools used to convert data into fixed size values. They help maintain data integrity, improve security, and enable fast data retrieval in modern computing systems. What is a hash function? A hash function is a mathematical process that converts input data of any size into a fixed-length output known as a hash value. Core properties. A hash function always produces the same output for the same input, making it deterministic. The output size remains constant regardless of input length. It is designed to work efficiently and distribute values uniformly to reduce collisions. Components of hashing. Hashing begins with a key, which is passed through a hash function. The resulting value is used as an index in a hash table, allowing quick storage and retrieval of data. Classical hashing techniques for data structures. Division method. The key is divided by the table size, and the remainder becomes the hash value. This method is simple and works best when the table size is chosen carefully. Multiplication method. The key is multiplied by a constant fraction, and part of the result is extracted. This technique provides better distribution and reduces clustering. Mid-square method. The key is squared, and the middle digits of the result are selected. This spreads similar keys across different locations in the hash table. Folding method. The key is split into smaller parts, added together, and reduced using modulo. It is effective for long numeric values like identification numbers. Visualizing the mid-square method. The input key is first squared to increase randomness. Next, the middle digits of the squared value are extracted. These digits form the final hash value, helping achieve better distribution for similar inputs. Cryptographic hash functions, security at the core. Collision resistance. It should be extremely difficult to find two different inputs that produce the same hash value. Preimage resistance. Given a hash value, finding the original input should be practically impossible. Avalanche effect. A small change in input results in a completely different hash output. Security evolution. Older algorithms like MD5 and SHA-1 are no longer secure. Modern systems rely on SHA-2 and SHA-3 families for stronger protection. Popular cryptographic hash algorithms. MD5. Fast but insecure due to collision vulnerabilities. SHA-1. Stronger than MD5 but no longer safe for security-critical applications. SHA-256. A widely used standard providing strong security and reliability. SHA-3. Designed with a different internal structure to enhance resilience. Blake-2. Optimized for both speed and security in modern systems. Password hashing and specialized functions. BCRYPT. Uses adjustable computational cost to slow down brute force attacks. SCRYPT. Requires large memory usage, making hardware-based attacks difficult. Argon-2. The most modern password hashing algorithm with strong resistance against time and memory attacks. Collision handling. When a key is given to a hash function, it generates a hash value that points to a specific index in the hash table. In the example, the key John produces the hash value 145. Using chaining, index 145 already contains a value, so the new entry is added at the same index using a linked structure. This allows multiple values like Alice and John to exist together at one position. Searching means checking each element in the chain, so performance depends on how long the chain becomes. Using open addressing, index 145 is already occupied, so the system looks for the next available empty slot. The key John is placed in another index such as 153, following a probing sequence. All data stays inside the table, but searching can take longer when the table is nearly full. Both approaches resolve collisions efficiently, but their performance depends on table size and data distribution. Emerging trends and future directions. Post-quantum cryptography. Research focuses on developing hash functions resistant to quantum attacks. Hardware acceleration. Modern processors include special instructions that significantly speed up hashing operations. Blake 3 adoption. Blake 3 offers exceptional speed while maintaining strong security properties. Expanded applications. Hashing continues to play a vital role in blockchain, distributed systems, and data integrity verification.